Hello and welcome to this new series. I want to start by introducing you to two companies. Kodak, who had the talent, and Instagram had the tech adaptation. The difference? One embraced change, one didn't. Your career faces a similar choice. Here, right now, 2025, AI isn't coming, it's already here. But the good news is, you don't need to be a tech genius to survive, you just need a strategy. IBM reports technical skills now expire every 2 to 3 years. If you're still relying on what you learned in school or your first job, then you're already behind. So here's how you can become future-proof in 3 steps. The first step, upskill smartly. Master one tool in your field this quarter. Whether you're a marketer, then learn AI copywriting. Step 2, become T-shaped. Deep expertise plus tech literacy. For example, if you're in finance, learn basic Python. And the third step, learn like an AI. Spend 70% of your time getting the experience, 20% of your time being mentored or coached, and 10% of your time in formal courses. Think of AI as your co-pilot, not your replacement. The winners, those who ask, how can this tool make me 10 times better? This week, try just one thing different. Use an AI language platform to draft an email perhaps. Take LinkedIn's AI for Business course, or even shadow a tech-savvy colleague. Small steps today prevent obsolescence tomorrow. The future belongs to the agile. Which side are you on? So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so I can pop up in your feed occasionally with a great tip for your ultimate growth.